Hi there, welcome to episode 129 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to show you playing a major scale in seventh intervals. This is a really good workout for your fingers. There's some barring you have to do in the middle of the scale, and just some other quick work you need to do to get around. So it's a great finger exercise if nothing else, but also great just for understanding the scale. And I've done this with a lot of intervals too in the major scale. I wanted to get to this one, then we'll move on to some other scales too today. So let's do it in A. And so you just start out on the first note and jump up a seventh, and then back down and to the second. You keep going up a scale all the way up the scale, but jumping up to the seventh after each note. So starting at the beginning on the A, jump up a seventh. That's a major seventh. And then your second note, up a minor seventh. Third note, up a minor seventh. Fourth, major seventh. Fifth note is also a minor seventh. Let me do that again. So for the one, a major seven. So I'll show you just the first couple. I'll explain the frets on just the first couple notes here. So in the key of A, fifth fret on the E string, then sixth fret on the D string. For your second note, go to B. That's the seventh fret in the E string, and seventh fret on the D string. So right there, the easiest thing to do is actually a bar, a partial bar. If we're going on to the third note, which is a C sharp, fourth fret on the A string, and then the minor seventh is the fourth fret on the G string, and then so on, like this. Okay, all the way up. Okay, and back down again. But the best thing is just going up like that, get comfortable with it before you, and you can even end with an octave like that, and going back down again. So just up and down that scale is really good, and start out very, very slow, certainly, because it's a lot of big stretches. I think the most useful thing about this is getting used to doing bars, even just a partial bar. It's not a regular bar chord, but just throwing in a bar in the middle of a scale across multiple strings is it's sort of a strange thing to do, but you'll definitely run into now and then, especially when playing fingerstyle, trying to do a melody at the same time as a chord. Times where you can do a funny move like this with a bar in the middle. I hope this is useful to you. Let me just go through that again. Okay, all the way up like that. You can do it down again too if you want to. I hope this is useful to you. Again, it's a great exercise for learning your way around the scale, and also just for picking, whether you're doing fingerstyle or pick style. It's a great exercise to do this sort of alternate picking. So hope it's useful. Thanks as always for watching.